Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Apple gift card on Apple Pay. So for this purpose, first you need to open App Store on your mobile device. Then at the top right corner, you have your profile icon, tap on it. Then here you have the option of redeem gift card or code. You simply need to tap on it. Once you click on it, then this type of redeem code page will pop up on your screen. Here you can use camera or you can also enter your code manually. So here you need to enter code details. Then go to Apple Wallet, and here in Apple Wallet you can check your balance. Check your Apple account and check your balance in that wallet. Here you can see my account isn't created, but if I create my account, they send me some dollars in my account like a gift. So this is basically Apple gift card which I can use in Apple Wallet. Once your Apple account is created and you can use it anywhere, then you can use Apple gift card. If you can use your Apple account anywhere, then you can simply use this Apple gift card. So this is the way you can use Apple gift card on Apple Pay. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.